Hi, Ella. How are you? You working on rolling over? It's kind of hard to do.
I can roll over a lot of times.
Yeah, you're a good roller over, aren't you, Cody?
I can roll until my shirt beats.
Hey, Ella. Hey, Ella. Can you say, "Ee"? Really? Oh, there goes Cody. He's a rolling fool. He's trying to show you how to do it. Hey, nice feet. Oh. Can you eat your feet? Mmm, yummy feet. How do they taste? A little salty?
Ow. C-O-O-C-O-O. I'm just